Hello guys, I hope you're good. I hope you're doing well. So Karishma is busy shooting a music video for Wainama. Now she's been working very hard lately. Kuyabonakala nje ukuthi okay manje siya ku-December. So yeah man, she's busy working on Wainama music video. So these are the behind the scenes. Uyambona nje uyadansa nje. Yo, and enye into enginoticile ngoKarishma manje ukuthi ibrand yakhe uyithatha serious nje. Le rebranding ayenzayo, bheka nje ama-outfit awagcokayo manje. Like there's a big change nje engiyibonayo la kuye, and into positive, into right nje esiyithandayo ngaye, because mawubheka nje ama-outfit yakhe manje, like the way agcoka ngakhona nje uyabona nje ukuthi into azimiselayo ngayo, the way ayipresenta ngakhona manje uyabona ukuthi okay i-branding uyithatha serious. So yabona nje nala ma-outfit yala kulo music video nje ukuthi ahlukene nje kulama-outfit nje esimjwayele ngawo. Lana nje uze ngenye lana, and siyathanda ukuyibona. So yeah man, she's busy shooting a music video. Angazi ukuthi uzodropa nini, kodwa nje by the look of things kubonakala ngathi uzodropa soon because vele uyabona nje nawe isikhathi asisekho, siya ku-December manje. So ngisho ukuthi uzodropa soon vele, because kubonakala ngathi bebabhizi nje, sekunama-scene awaningi abawashuthile because vele izolo bewabhizi ngawo, namhlanje kathi basa-continue nje bacedelele le music video nje. So yeah, yiloko nje manje. And enye into before ngikhohle, ngiyazi ukuthi bengishilo nje on my previous video, ama-dancers akaKarishma ayenza a big difference ku-performance yakaKarishma. Ngibona nalana nje, uyabona lapha kuma-behind the scenes alo music video, ilawa ajiva nawo lapha, yabona nje manje ukuthi
yes.
Right it the books. Yeah, 5 years.
Awa.
We hate it.
You feel me, no?
Yeah.
You get me.
Get the memo.
Hey, that's dope. Yo.
Now we're gonna start with this one.
Yeah, and then.
Right.
Dauko. Mara ngere ke ngare ke
And then or
kuma ke fake ke jewa
go e jere mo ke jewa bona ya bala ke e fetsa ke mo
you've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Bila I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.